Hi, welcome to week 2. So, after a little tech issues, I think I've resolved some problems. Let's get this week on going. So for Monday, we've got, let me share some screen information. Okay, so you should be seeing the full week calendar. This material will become published day by day. Remember, it's day by day. So this quick discussion I'm going to have with you is only going to be like about 15 minutes tops. And we're going to be talking about a song analysis. It's a quick exercise. And then we're going to set up the reading assignment for the next 3 days. Okay. So as far as the Beck analysis is concerned, yes, that's referring to Beck, the performer. Okay. I have out here a video of his performance from last year titled Saw Lightning. Okay. In this video, there is no live action. It's only a screen. Okay. So that's not what you're analyzing. You're not analyzing the camera. You're analyzing the lyrics. So with that in mind, this is how you play the song. Under the assignment Beck analysis, when you click on that, you'll get the assignment page. And the rules are set up here, and you have to click on this Google Doc. Okay. Once you click on that, it will provide you with the lyrics. Okay. So this is going to require you to be juggling 2 tabs, the video plus the Google Docs. Okay. So the information you see on this screen here is going to duplicate what's on the actual Google Docs form. Now, each of you individually has been given this. So once you hit submit, it is your name's on it, and you're not affecting other people. Okay, so this is your personal copy. So what I'll break it down for you. Basically, you're going to read the lyrics at least 3 times. The video is to help you. Once you get you'll get some emphasis, and you'll get some artistic and creative shifting of tone. Use that to your advantage if necessary. Okay. Do read the lyrics at least 3 times. Just like I said earlier in that demo from last week, read material 3 times. Notice I say here, using the tools above, I mean this row up here, under insert, I have to move a toolbar out of my way. Under insert, you have the command of comment. Okay, so all you have to do is highlight a text, go to insert comment, and it'll remain highlighted, and it'll produce a bubble. So for instance, on my personal copy, I'm going to do this. I highlighted it, go up to insert, comment, okay. Therefore, I've posted a comment, okay. You'll be using this tool, okay, for these lyrics. So I want you to, again, read it 3 times first, and then put your comments. So for instance, these are just your observations and your ideas. So there, I just posted a question, just off the top of my head. That's what you'll be doing. Your immediate reactions to the lyrics, okay? If there's a word you want to look up the definition later, highlight it, say look up later, or look it up and then provide the definition. These are for your notes, okay? I'm just seeing that you are able to annotate text effectively, okay? And I'll give you some suggestions as the time goes on. So that's the second bullet point. The third bullet point, propose the author's main message based on your observation and lens. So after you highlight and annotate all over the place on these lyrics, you're going to decide what lens will help you determine the message from these two men, from Beck, the performer, and Pharrell Williams, who helped write it, okay? You determine what the main message is in this lyric. Now, on the one hand, I'm not looking for you to do any outside research. This is just personal observation, personal reaction. If in the end you cannot figure out any main message, I need to know why you can't come up with a message, okay? So right here where it says answer, you're giving me a 5-sentence paragraph or more explaining the main message that you develop, you deduce from the lyrics, okay? Finally, there's a part 2. After you've analyzed the song, okay, considering your literary theories that we went over last week, okay, explain your choices within an academic paragraph, okay? So let me go back. This one is just explaining what the main message of the song is. Part 2, you're explaining why you chose a lens in particular to help you come up with the main message, okay? So your topic sentence will state the song, the 2 composers, and your lens choice. Those are your topics. When you quote from the song, because you got to quote somewhere, give me the line numbers in the in-text citations. So you're going to have to count the lines, unfortunately. But that's a small price to pay. Okay, so remember to treat the titles of the criticism as proper nouns. You won't use lowercase letters. It's Formulist lens, for example. It's capital F, capital L. Marxist lens, capital M, capital L. It's a formal title. I treat it as a formal title. Your last sentence is a formal deduction that you want to provide the reader. So in a sense, what I'm doing here, this first exercise, part 1, is warming you up to a possibility of a deduction that will apply to this paragraph, your part 2. Okay, so you'll just type it out right here. You're using formal language and you are using academic resolution. So when you type it up here, it might scroll over onto a new page. I'm fine with that. Don't worry about that. But this is paragraph format, 5 or more sentences, academic tone. What do you get out of that song? Okay? Again, if you have any questions, by all means, send me a note. We'll walk through this. I'm still working on setting up the office hours. More than likely, what I'll end up doing on Monday, Wednesdays will be allocated to 1301, and then Tuesday, Thursdays would be allocated to 2332 students. So I'll get back with you in a few days regards to that, and there'll be an email sent out. So as it is, if you have any questions about this, let me know. Have a great day.